Today we are cooking country style ribs at the beach. Folks, we're on vacation, got the travel trailer down at Balli Park. It's a nice little place to park your travel trailer in Corpus Christi, Texas, out on Padre Island. We're about 200 yards from the beach. We're cooking country style ribs with a little grill sergeant. I'll tell you how to get hold of these rubs also, put a link in the description for you. But let's get them seasoned up and get them on that Asmoke smoker. I'm gonna get these on this Asmoke battery operated smoker. You can see them. These pork ribs are pork country style ribs, guys. They're not really ribs. They're cut off of the shoulder blade and made to look like they're ribs. But we're gonna get a really good grill sergeant. Show you that. The grill sergeant rub. This is his Squill Team 6. And we're gonna season them up with that. So, not using a binder today. I'm just gonna go on with some Squill Team. All the way over. I will give y'all a good look at this Asmoke grill. It is a nice, handy, battery operated. So we could take this right out on the beach, cook on the tailgate if we wanted to. Makes you think tailgating parties, right? A lot of different things. But we're gonna season all four sides of these so that they got plenty of flavor on them. It actually is my birthday today, so kids are coming over and they're gonna have supper with us. Libby's got some cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes going in the trailer for me. We got a pot of beans on and potato salad, right?
Yeah.
Yep, potato salad. So here we go. These are seasoned good. I'm gonna put them straight onto this Asmoke. I'll get it open, show it to you. Now this Asmoke has a lot more room in it than most battery operated grills because of the detachable pellet hopper, right? Makes it really nice, but where a lot of them, this section is your hopper. Well, this one stores in here, but it sets out there. Now I need to move my flame plate. I'd done some steaks on here the other night, and so it's open, so close that up. And we're gonna see if we can get all of these on there. So come in here, Lib, and we're gonna look and see. I do have a rack that will go in this back part. If I need to, I can use the rack. I've got some great sausage, some craft sausage I picked up in Corpus at Borai's meat market. You may have heard Sapo's barbecue, talk about them. But look at this. We're gonna get every one of these on this lower rack, and we may have to put the sausage on the upper one. But they're on there. Let's close it up. We'll keep an eye on them. But we're looking at about a 2.5, maybe 3 hour cook on this Asmoke battery operated pellet grill. Now don't forget, the link for Squill Team 6 from Grill Sergeant will be down in the description, and also for his MRE, all right? So this is a very good meat rub for everything. Very, very good. So another one is just kind of his salt, pepper, and garlic. Both very good rubs. You have a link for them down below. And we're gonna wait, see y'all about an hour. We'll check these, see if they need to be spritzed, how they're looking, see if we need to move them around and turn them. But we're running this today at about 285 degrees, cooking them a little faster than I normally would. But we got some people coming for supper and I gotta get them ready to go. So see y'all in a little bit. Then let's check these ribs. They are looking pretty. What I wanna do is I wanna switch them all end for end. All right, let's close it back up. Sun's going down here at the park. We showed you the 1 hour mark a while ago where they were going. I flopped them around a couple of times since then. We're about 2 hours, 45 minutes into it. Think we got enough smoke. We'll take them inside, get a look at them and see how they turned out. But let's look onto this Asmoke grill. There you go. But those are looking pretty. I'm gonna get them off and we'll find out if we got them tender or not. to cut. Seems tender when we cut it. These country style ribs, they're pretty nice. Wouldn't hurt to have sauced them, but see if you can look there. Get real close. Nice smoke ring we got on here from the Asmoke portable grill. It's got a pink smoke ring in it. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's real good. You want to get in the video? Okay, so Caden's here. He's in the RV park with us. We fished together the other night. Him, his little sister, and his grandpa. So, Caden, what do you think about that country style rib?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. There you go. Appreciate y'all stopping by. This is Chef Johnny, the ultimate beef loving Texan. And today we are cooking country style ribs. So thanks for stopping here. Appreciate it. We'll see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.